what that means is pointing out, evidenciating the differences between our position and the position of the United Kingdom, and doing that lucidly. As things stand, the British position does not enable those persons concerned to continue to live their lives as they do today. In other words, there are differences in the levels of ambition, and there are a number of them, between the two papers. For example, we want European citizens in the United Kingdom to have the same rights as British citizens who are living in Spain or any other country of the European Union. The British position, as it stands, does not allow for that reciprocity, because citizens of the European Union in the UK are subjected to UK law, which imposes restrictions, for example, on family reunification. We want the rights of those citizens concerned to be invocable directly on the basis of the withdrawal agreement. The United Kingdom wants the rights of European Union citizens in the UK to come under British law, which might well change in time, and thus does not give them the guarantees of those rights over time. We want the Court of Justice of the European Union to provide the ultimate guarantee of those rights, and if the UK fights that, then it will create uncertainty on the effective and consistent application of those rights. And we want to make sure that European citizens in the United Kingdom have simple administrative procedures, clear administrative procedures, and that thus the conditions which apply to those procedures must be made explicit.
4.5 million people. That's what we're dealing with. And I hope there too we'll manage to find an intelligent solution to this, at least on the principles of reciprocity. We're not there yet. I'm hoping that we're going to try and find this by the end of the year. Continuity, applicability of rights, guarantee of rights. There too, we're still not there. So I don't want to push anybody over the edge, but we have to find clear, sustainable solutions. And on the Court of Justice, there are discussions possible there too. I'm not talking for the ECJ, for people arriving in the UK after Brexit. I'm talking about acquired and accumulated rights that have been acquired over previous years up until Brexit Day. And there, I think it's legitimate to offer guarantees of those rights on both sides within a European framework which would be most favourable to those citizens. But there too, like on all the other points, I've said these three priority areas are indivisible, they're intertwined, and I hope people have understood that.